Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in the Magic Kingdom and I'm celebrating my birthday. I got my birthday pin on. It's gonna be a fun day. I'm off to a super late start. We actually had a 6 a.m. flight and I didn't get into the Magic Kingdom until after 11. So I'm trying StandbySkipper for the first time. I'm gonna bring you guys along with it. So many of my clients have done it before and they asked me if I have experience with it or how I like it, and I figured I would test it out. So far it's really stressing me out and I've been on my phone a lot trying to figure out how it works. So I'll share more on that later. But anyway, I have 2 rides that I'm hoping will pop up. I don't understand how it works, so I have 3 in the queue now for my Lightning Lane, and I don't know if it's gonna bump one out and replace it and which one it would bump out because I don't know how to prioritize things. But anyway, that's where we're at. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today. Hopefully I can see the Carousel of Progress one last time, check out StandbySkipper, and then I have lunch at the Skipper Canteen in just about an hour. So let's get this day started.
You're in for a real treat. The Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end.
Just a dream away. Phew, boy, hottest 4th of July we've had in years. Well, it's another Halloween here in the fabulous 40s. Great big beautiful tomorrow.
This is like the most amazing view, isn't it? So pretty. Okay, so I said goodbye to the Carousel of Progress. I totally get why they're updating it. None of the kids were paying attention. There were a lot of kids crying. They're just like not interested. It just doesn't do it for the next generation coming up. But I did say goodbye and I was sad about it because it is one of my favorite rides. But now I'm headed to lunch. I have lunch, like I said, at Skipper Canteen. I think that's what it's called. And for StandbySkipper, still haven't gotten any notifications. So I'm a little disappointed, but we'll see what the day brings. And we are going to head over now to have some lunch and continue our day here in the Magic Kingdom. So the food here is rather odd and unique, as you probably already know. So what I ended up doing was I got 2 appetizers, which this is actually a lot of food just for me. I didn't expect it to be so much. And I'll leave like little screenshots below so you can see what it is because I cannot pronounce it. And then I got the Congo Louche beer, which that I do know what it is, and it's very good. All right, I'm excited to dig in.
Where be Captain Jack Sparrow and the
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies.
I think I figured out the StandbySkipper. So I messed up because ChatGPT kept telling me I needed to have 3 like Lightning Lanes booked and that it would alter one. Like one of the ones I requested, they said that it would alter it if it became available, but I don't think that's the case. I think that I just have to scan into a ride and just let it sit and be patient until they fill it with what I want. And before that was getting frustrating because they never filled it and time was passing and I kept getting notifications that it was time to book my next Lightning Lane. So I figured it was better to have something rather than nothing at all. So that entire time I was not eligible to get whatever it was. Like they weren't even able to search apparently for the ride. That's the way I'm understanding it. So when I scanned into Pirates right now, by the time I got off of Pirates, one of my requests was Tiana's and Tiana's came through and it's right here. So I'm gonna hop on that now, scan in and see if I can get another one. And if that's the case, if it consistently keeps like filling it, then it will definitely be worthwhile. Okay, so literally while I was getting on Tiana's, I got a notification for StandbySkipper for Jungle Cruise, which is going to be like right now. So I guess I didn't really know what I was doing at the beginning, but now that I figured it out, this is like amazing. So I put my hair up under my hat, and I had like a little rain jacket that I wrapped around my waist, and luckily I got through the ride without getting soaked, so that worked out really good. And I'm excited, so let's go scan into the Jungle Cruise and see how I make out next time around.
Please just raise your hand. I will raise mine. We'll wave goodbye to that together. We're never going to see it again. Please don't make any noises that sound like a banana. They find that very appealing.
Okay, so my top priority today was Big Thunder. Right now I have 2 openings for Lightning Lanes to be booked, and nothing's happening. So I think I'm just gonna head over and just get online. It's really hot. It's a 45-minute wait, but like I have an hour until my next Lightning Lane, so I think that just makes the most sense. And if it pops up, great, I'll go on it again. So I think that's gonna be the new plan. My timing is impeccable. If you don't know, this is exactly where you cut over to get over to Thunder Mountain. And I bet all these people might just want to be going on that after the parade. Okay, so my next Lightning Lane is for the Haunted Mansion, and then I have 2 more after that, and then I think I'm going to be done for the day. I think I've pretty much done everything that I can do. I canceled my Big Thunder because I just waited online for it, and it ended up being 16 minutes less than they had anticipated, so I think that it actually did work out really good. I'll do a recap when I can talk more, because I'm like I have stacked rides now, so I have to get to them all, but once I figured it out, it's really, really going good.
And the flowers grow.
Okay, so I think I've maxed out everything that I can do today with StandbySkipper. I just finished doing like the Haunted Mansion. I went on the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin, and I just went on the Tiki Room. That wasn't part of StandbySkipper, but I'm just kind of like filling in now with the more traditional rides that don't have a wait. I did tee up 3 more. So I am still trying for Big Thunder. I'm still trying for It's a Small World, and there was one other one. But I'm basically just like putting anything there just to see if anything is gonna like pop up, but it hasn't. And if it doesn't, that's fine, because I don't really have much of a wait for it anyway.
Do we? Rufus, wake up! Oh, Jamboree!
Okay guys, I am headed out, but overall I think that it worked out really, really well. I pretty much did everything that I wanted to do. The only thing I waited online for really was Big Thunder, which that was the reason I got the StandbySkipper, but it was okay because for the entire day, every single ride was stacked up until I guess it was around 4 or 5 o'clock, and ever since then I have not gotten anything else. But I had a pretty full day, and I'm satisfied with everything that I was able to get. And now I am headed out. It is just about 7 o'clock. We're gonna go meet up with friends for dinner, but we had a really great day here at the Magic Kingdom celebrating my birthday. So can't think of a better way to celebrate, and I'm glad that you guys came along. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.